In today's competitive manufacturing landscape, achieving operational excellence requires smart work. Leading manufacturing companies leverage automation to optimize information flow across departments, processes, and systems. One major challenge is the scattering of information between systems and departments. Employees often navigate multiple systems with inconsistent structures, access control issues, duplicates, and version confusion. The solution? Connecting these silos with M-Files to drive efficiency. M-Files unifies enterprise data, streamlines operations, and automates naming, classification, organization, and permissions. With enterprise-level search capabilities and personalized views, accessing and managing information becomes simple. For example, quickly finding a sales order based on a customer reference or a material certificate using a batch reference. Another challenge is the slow, error-prone nature of manual processes. From document creation and approval to completing checklists, manual processes hinder performance and complicate interactions with customers, partners, and suppliers. Improving process efficiency with automated workflows is key. Automation increases accuracy and ensures timely task completion. Templates, assignments, and notifications streamline daily work, integrating external collaboration naturally. M-Files covers processes like assigning customer claims and managing factory equipment maintenance with automatically scheduled tasks. Quality processes often rely on individual diligence, leading to poor traceability and lack of systematic monitoring of supplier adherence. Automated compliance and quality management solve these issues. For example, a customer complaint triggers corrective and preventive actions, including training staff. The associated training session, attended staff, and related SOPs are linked together, ensuring traceability. Each SOP has a version history, and new versions trigger training requirements. Change requests allow for controlled creation or modification of SOPs. The automated quality management system covers processes across departments, facilitating audit management with proper documentation and compliance evidence. M-Files maintains a registry of potential and qualified suppliers, including audit findings, ensuring comprehensive supplier management. We've explored 3 core challenges in manufacturing: scattered information, inefficient manual processes, and reliance on individual diligence for quality standards. M-Files helps solve these challenges. Contact us for a live demonstration tailored to your needs.